look at the peninsular terrain of India, you will notice the prominent western Ghats that run from the north to the south, parallel to the western coast. These western Ghats make up an important water divide in peninsular India. The major rivers in peninsular India are the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri, which flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. On the other hand, the two major rivers that flow westward and drain into the Arabian Sea are the Narmada and the Tapi. Both these rivers also form estuaries along the western coast. Estuaries are coastal bodies of water formed by the ocean and have one or more rivers flowing into it. The Narmada originates in the Amarkantak Hills located in Madhya Pradesh from a small tank called the Narmada Kund. Along its path of over 1,300 kilometers, the Narmada creates some of the most picturesque locations, like the Marble Rocks near Jabalpur, where the river flows through a deep gorge, and the Dhuadhar Falls. The Narmada River has some interesting sounding tributaries, like the Sher, the Shakkar, the Dudhi, and the Tawa. Most of the tributaries are short and join the Narmada at right angles. Do you recall the drainage pattern here? It forms the trellis drainage pattern. The Narmada River basin spans over parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Like the Narmada, the Tapi River also starts in Madhya Pradesh. It originates from the scenic Satpura Ranges located in Betul district. The Tapi River flows a distance of over 700 kilometers, covering parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. The Godavari is the longest and the largest peninsular river. It starts from Trimbak, located in Nasik, district of Maharashtra. From here, it flows across the Deccan Plateau for about 1,500 kilometers to drain into the Bay of Bengal. The Godavari drainage basin spans across the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Andhra Pradesh. The tributaries that strengthen the Godavari are the Purna, the Vardha, and the Pranhita. The major tributaries, however, are the Wainganga, which originates in Madhya Pradesh, the Manjira from Andhra Pradesh, and the Penganga from the Ajanta range in Maharashtra. The Mahanadi River is approximately half the size of the Godavari. It originates from the state of Chhattisgarh and covers a distance of about 860 kilometers to drain into the Bay of Bengal. The notable feature of the Mahanadi is that it runs parallel to the river Brahmani. And together they form one of the largest deltas in India at Paradeep. The biggest tributary of the Mahanadi is the Shivanath River. The drainage basin of the Mahanadi spans over parts of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Orissa. The Krishna River is the second largest peninsular river. It originates in Mahabaleshwar and travels about 1,400 kilometers to reach the Bay of Bengal. The main tributaries are the Tungabhadra, the Koyana, the Ghat Prabha, the Musi, and the Bhima. Its drainage basin spans over Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Another important river is the Kaveri, which is about half the size of the Krishna River. It originates in the Brahmagiri hills in the Western Ghats. And travels around 760 kilometers to reach the Bay of Bengal at Kadalur in Tamil Nadu. The major tributaries of the Kaveri are the Amravati, the Bhavani, the Hemavati, and the Kabini. Its drainage basin spans over parts of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Did you know the Sivanasamudram Falls, made by the Kaveri, are the second highest waterfall in India? The waterfalls are used to generate hydroelectric power, primarily for the Kolar gold field in Karnataka. The Kolar gold field is the first town in Asia to receive hydroelectric power.